Wow. So, this morning was a little different. We may not have made it to the tropics yet, but we are warm weather rats, so I happened upon a coconut at Lowe's the other day and brought it home for my little goddess. Well, we're gonna have to like strain it out. But it looks to all be sinking. I think that's about it.
No.
Oh, come on, say it one more time. What'd you just do?
Everyone sees it. You
You milk the coconut.
We milked a coconut. Coconut. What's it smell like?
Coconut.
He puts the lime in the coconut. Athena even tried some of the coconut milk. You can go.
Evolution. Du weißt, wovon ich rede, oder? Ich bitte dich um etwas ganz Einfaches. Einen kleinen Kuss.
Sour?
Gar nicht.
Kind of. Sour but sweet.
Sour but sweet. That is a shaved coconut. So was it good? For Thanksgiving, I got back in the galley and mixed up what is called a Caribbean swizzle, which calls for one of my favorite rums, Blue Chair Bay, by one of our many Islander inspirations, Kenny Chesney. Hi guys, welcome to the galley. Today we're going to be making a Caribbean swizzle. So, first I would like to point out that 1 tablespoon equals a ½ ounce. So although this recipe calls for ounces and ½ ounces, we're using a tablespoon. We need 1 ounce of lime juice, it spit. We need a ½ ounce of South Sea syrup. Now, we could not find South Sea syrup here in Palacios, so I looked it up and I'm using guava nectar instead. Okay, 1 ounce of orange juice. One ounce of pineapple juice. Ooh. Oh shit. Messy, messy, messy. 2 ounces of coconut spice rum. And I'm using Blue Chair Bay rum. It's coconut spice rum cream. It is delicious. So far, I've tried the original Blue Chair Bay And I've tried 2 of the flavors, the pineapple rum cream and the coconut spice rum cream. And they're both, oh, they're delicious. You could drink them straight if they're cold. They're made by Kenny Chesney, which is pretty awesome because since we've been on the boat, we've been rather inspired by the music of Kenny Chesney and Jimmy Buffett, you know, the Islanders. And everybody knows that, to me, pirate juice is anything with rum. So the fact that Kenny Chesney makes his own rum, okay. Now get the lid here. The recipe didn't seem to make a lot. Maybe I should find a small cup. Oh well, we're gonna work with what we got. So, future reference, smaller drink, not big cup. See how it tastes. That's good pirate juice. Definitely give your Thanksgiving a tropic feel. Well, and that's it for our galley show. And now, a word from one of our sponsors. Here at the History Rats, we've been working to improve the YouTube content that we bring to you. How are we doing this? We're taking classes on Skillshare. If you haven't heard about Skillshare yet, you should really look them up. It's pretty cool. They have access to all kinds of different classes, from Spanish to video editing to you name it. They have all kinds of stuff. Check them out. That was a pretty good ad read, if I do say so myself. So, that was our Thanksgiving in Paradise. We've got plans for a tropical Christmas in Palacios. And if you liked what you saw here in the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, ring-a-ding-ding the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of our new updates. I'm going to try to get our content on a regular schedule, fit it in between my housekeeping and homeschooling and doc checking. But we have 9 subscribers here on YouTube. Let's see what we can't do to get 9 more. 18 subscribers. That's our goal. Let's crush it.